How to install Java on Windows 11. Before we begin, it's a good idea to check if the Java is already installed on your Windows 11 computer. To do this, open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key, typing cmd and hitting enter. In the command prompt, type Java version and press enter. If Java installed, you'll see information about the installed version. If not, you'll receive an error message indicating that Java is not recognized, like this. This means Java is not installed on this device. Now close it. Now let's download Java from the official website. Open your browser. Go to Google. Then search Oracle's Java. Click on the official website. Here is the link of Download Java. Click on it. Under the download section, you can see the latest Java version. Scroll down, then click on Windows section. Then download the installer file by clicking on it. After downloading complete, click to open it and close the browser. Then a setup wizard will appear. Follow the setup wizard and accept the default options to install it. After completing installation, let's go to the path where it installed. Go to this PC, then local disk C, then program files, then Java folder, then click on it. Now click on the bin folder. Now copy this path location. Close it. Go to Start menu. Search Environment Variables. Now click on the Edit System Environment Variables. Go to Advanced section, then click on the Environment Variables. Under System Variables, scroll down, go to the Path section and double click on it. Now click on New. Then right click on it, then click Paste, then click OK, again OK. We have installed Java. Now let's check it. Open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key, type cmd, then press enter. Now type Java version. And press enter. You are now watching information about the installed version. This means Java is installed successfully on this device. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Java on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our 5-Minute Solution channel for more videos.